Hey everybody, it's Silverseeker, and today we have a special unboxing. In fact, I want to show you what I have right here. Now, you can see I'm kind of struggling to pick this up. It's not super heavy, but it's definitely heavy. And I haven't taken it out of the shipping box yet because when I take it out of the shipping box, I'm afraid that my green screen is going to key it out. And if that gives you a hint as to what it is, then you know what we're about to do. Now, what's inside this box, guys, is very special because I ordered this not only a little bit for me, but also for things like my stacker boxes and, of course, on the stream and things like that. So normally I wouldn't be able to, get what I have in here and hang on to it. It's a lot. But very, very excited that I'm able to get these for the stream and boxes and things like that. And I'm really excited to get them open and share the experience of unboxing one of these with you. So I'm going to go ahead and cut this thing open and see how much of this box keys out with my green screen, because if you look in behind me, that's just a picture. And my desk, my shipping desk is never that clean. It was cleaned for that image, for this green screen background image. So let me go ahead and get this open and see what we got. So as you can see, I was kind of right. It's like inside this box is kind of a portal into the dimension behind me. What we have inside this box is a full monster box of the Type 1 2021 Silver Eagles. Now, as you know, this year there will be two different types of Silver Eagles. There will be the 2021 Type A, which will be the normal reverse that we've seen every year since 1986. And then there will be the Type B, or Type 2, that will be the brand new design that they announced and showed us last year. So I'm excited to get these unboxed and share, like I said, the experience of unboxing one of these with you guys. So let's cut over to the desk camera, take this thing out, and get into it. And by the way, guys, if you like videos like this and you want to see more, don't forget to like and subscribe so you don't miss my future videos. Okay, so here it is, guys. Here is the box. So what we're going to do is kind of slide this out. We're going to grab one of these straps right here. Now, these American Silver Eagle monster boxes always come strapped from the United States Mint with these two straps on them. Now, I actually, last time I got a monster box was 2 years ago in 2019. I didn't get one in 2020, and I'm getting one obviously now in 2021. I wish I would have got one in 2020, before prices went up, but it is what it is. Either way, really excited to get into this, and we're going to go ahead and cut these straps. I always like to save these straps and do something fun with them. I did something fun with them in 2019. I'll probably do something fun with them in 2021 as well. Using a pair of scissors, we'll cut the first strap. It has been busted. And the second. And this monster box is now officially open. Now, you guys might remember, you see the Silver Eagles that are minted guaranteed by San Francisco or West Point. They're usually by the tags on the side of the box. Once you cut those straps off, there's no way to know for sure. And so that was it. So as we take the lid off, you can see inside there's this right here. It's a thicker piece of plastic than what the lid is, and it keeps the tubes from bouncing around inside the box. So you just grab these two handles and kind of pull up on the lid, the second lid, if you will. And there you go. We have 25 rolls of 20 Silver Eagles each, and we'll go right here into the center roll. Twist the cap a little bit sideways. It's not going to twist for me, so we'll just take our penny dog screwdriver, dig into it, pop it up, and there it is, guys. Absolutely gorgeous. I record with a 4K camera, but I'm only recording in 1080p. I need to get a 4K capture card, and I'm going to be doing that very, very soon. Look at that. That is absolutely gorgeous Silver Eagle. Look at that. That is just beautiful. And, I'm not, of course, the obverse is going to be the same on the new ones. The only thing that's changing is the reverse. And I don't know how excited I am about the change. I mean, I was excited about the change until I saw the new design. I'm not 100% sold on the new design, but when we see it on a 1 ounce silver coin like this, it may change our mind. But man, beautiful 2021 Silver American Eagles. So let's go ahead and gently put that back in the tube. Actually, you know what? Let's go ahead and flip that. This is the first one I pulled out of this monster box. This one's special. We're going to go ahead and put this right here in a flip like so. It's a little dusty, the flip, but that's okay. And get it nice and protected, leaving us with 499 left in the box. All right, guys. Well, there it is. Our quick unboxing of a full monster box of American Silver Eagles. I hope it was as fun for you as it was for me. And again, I don't get to do this all the time, but I got to do it this year. And will I get to do it in 2022? I hope so. Will I get to do it with the Type 2 Silver Eagles? I hope so. We'll find out. All right, guys. Thank you so much for watching. We'll see you next time. Hey guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. I did leave a video above you can check out if you haven't seen it yet. I also want to give a huge shout out and a huge thank you to my awesome channel supporters scrolling right there on the right hand of the screen. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you in the next one.